Today we are going to give you 3 common phrasal verbs you can use in speaking or writing. But first, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are made when you put together a verb and a preposition. This can change its meaning by a lot. Let's take a look at some examples. The first phrasal verb is break up. Break up means to stop something that is happening right now. For example, if there is a fight in the class, the teacher will try to break it up. This means the teacher will try to stop the fight. Another example is if you say, he and his girlfriend broke up. This means that they are no longer boyfriend and girlfriend. They've separated. Let's look at the next phrasal verb. Look up to is a phrasal verb which is used to explain who someone is inspired by. For example, my father is a strong and kind man, and I want to be like him. This is the same thing as saying, I look up to him. The last phrasal verb for today is apply for. Apply for is used when we are trying to get a new job. An example is, I applied for a job as a waiter in a fancy restaurant. That means that I put my information on an application and sent it to the company because I want to work there. Can you think of any other examples of how to use these phrasal verbs? Comment down below and let us know. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you for tuning in. We hope to see you in our next video with ILC.